What is going on, guys? 6 HELLCAT here today. Thank you for tuning in to another video. So today's video, we're actually going to go up the canyons once again. I know a lot of you guys enjoyed the canyon run that I did a few videos ago. There is going to be a little bit of a difference this time around. However, it's going to be because I have the WIDEBODY intake installed on my car. So I really haven't put too many like driving miles on the car. Ever since I got the WIDEBODY intake installed, I've been just working nonstop. So I haven't really had the time to really enjoy and see how the WIDEBODY intake does up the canyons or just driving in general. So I'm actually going to meet up with a friend of mine, Freddie. You guys might know him on Instagram or YouTube. He has a channel as well, Tank392. He currently has an indigo blue Charger 392 Scat Pack. So he just switched up the color. It used to be like a military green wrap, and now it's an indigo wrap. And on top of that, he added a wide body kit to it now. So it has fender flares and everything. It looks like an actual wide body, just like mine. So I haven't seen it in person yet. I'm definitely excited to see how his car looks. But we're currently at the gas station right now, obviously filling up what else is new. Some good old 91 filled up 50 bucks. Not bad to fill up the tank. It's definitely getting a lot cheaper now. But let's go and head out. I am running late per usual, so let's go ahead and start up and head out. All right, guys, let's go hear that whine. Oh my god, dude, this sound is never gonna get old. I never got over it in my old Hellcat either, and now that the whine is even louder than the leg maker, I mean, this is just on a whole nother level right here. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so we are up the canyons right now. I didn't record this little part earlier, but there is a ton of sheriffs and police presence up in these canyons right now. I think not too sure why, actually. I don't know if people are just, you know, over this quarantine life and they just want to go out and have some fun or be reckless. I'm not too sure. I haven't been up the canyons in about 2 weeks or so, and last time I came there was a few CHP officers, but there wasn't as many as, you know, right now. Just entering the canyons, there was about, I mean, we passed a good 6 or 7 just lined up, just, you know, chilling. So interesting. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put this car in track mode and let's see what she does. Oh my god, this WIDEBODY screams. You can see everyone just staring like, what the hell is that? These freaking motorcycles just have to go so slow. These freaking lowrider people blasting this loud ass music. So honestly, coming from a person that has owned a Hellcat previously, not just, you know, this one, but I also have my red one, I can easily say that the intake is definitely the most exciting mod that anyone can do, especially if it's your first time owning a Hellcat. I remember when I threw on the WIDEBODY intake for the first time on my old Hellcat, it was like an absolute like life changer. It changed my whole perspective on the Hellcat. Just the intake alone, the difference that the intake makes just on sound alone is just absolutely crazy. If you haven't heard a Hellcat in person with like a WIDBODY or like a leg maker intake, or just any open air intake, to be honest, you guys are completely missing out. You need to listen to that in person. It is just, it's such a beautiful sound to hear. And especially when people, you know, don't know anything about cars and they hear the supercharger whine, they immediately just like look all fast. They're like, what the hell is that? Because they have no idea what that sound is. It's just like a really foreign sound to them, and they don't know that it's a supercharger sound, so they're just like, what the fuck? Man, essays, get out of the fucking way, bro. These guys all want to go slow and shit. At least pull over. God damn. Oh, thank God these guys are making a fucking right. Go on, putos. Yeah. Now I can let the beast loose, guys. Why do we always run into slow people? Is this guy for real right now? Did this Mini Cooper really overtake this? What the bro, this truck is going stupid slow. I like that little blow off that it does. Alright, respect to the Mini Cooper for, you know, taking over all these cars. I'm dead. Still going slow though. It's a nice cloudy day. It's starting to drizzle a little bit, to be honest. This California weather can't make up its mind. It's so bipolar. It's the sheriff right there. Speed limit 30? What? 30 miles an hour? Are you serious? Man, you honestly can't see the view. That's crazy. And you guys cannot see the view at all. It is so foggy outside. Oh, CHP up there as well. They straight chilling. Okay, bro, it's not that foggy up here. You can go faster. This guy's turning around like he can't see 2 feet in front of him. It's still, honestly, guys, I mean, you guys can see it from my POV as well. But it's like foggy, you know, out onto there. It's not really foggy in your frontal view. So I don't know why this guy's going like he's just taking his first driver's class. All right, let's play a little game. Who's driving this slow ass car? A, is it an old man or old lady? B, is it an Asian? Or C, both? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Bro, come on. All right, we got what is this, law enforcement? I believe this is like the Rangers and whatnot. CHP is also chilling right there. CHP is also right there. That's pretty cool. Little Charger has its lights on and everything. Man, there's a lot of cops up here. All right, so the slow car pulled off to the side at the very end. And we're pretty much at the top of the mountain now. Honestly, at this point, I can't even see like a good like 20 yards in front of me. Man, I really cannot see anything. Jesus Christ. All right, guys, so we made it up to the top of Azusa Canyon. As you guys can see, you can't really see shit, to be honest. It's extremely foggy. We got our cars posted up here. Got my Daytona, and here is my boy Freddy, or you guys might know him as Tank 392. He has this indigo blue. It's a wrap, actually, and then he has an aftermarket wide body kit on it. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, it looks OEM. Can't really tell the difference between this one and mine. It actually looks pretty similar, but this color is absolutely beautiful. Contrasts really well with the black. We got the black wheels here with the spokes popping out. 392 scat pack, and then I got my boy Javier here. He's got a Destroyer Gray 392 Daytona. Can never go wrong with Destroyer Gray. And then he also has the Ferrari wheels. But I mean, as you guys can see, there's really not much going on. I remember last time I took you guys up here, it was absolutely a beautiful view, but here's the view now compared to what it was last time. There's really can't see shit. I think the road is somewhere over in that area, but yeah, we're just posted up here. We've been here for a cool minute, just chilling, talking. Definitely missed the cruising days where, you know, it was all sunny, no quarantine life. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and do that very soon once this is all over, hopefully very, very soon. I'm definitely having withdrawals of going cruising with the boys and whatnot, but we're just gonna end the video right here since it's I mean, it's freezing. We're probably gonna head back down. I'm sure you guys don't want to see just, you know, the fog. We can't, honestly, I can't even see a good 10, 20 feet in front of me, I cannot see much at all. So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. If you did like it, please like and subscribe. Also drop a comment down below letting me know what videos you guys want to see in the future. Also let me know what you guys thought of the WIDEBODY intake coming up the canyons. I'm definitely extremely happy with the way the supercharger whines. It is absolutely insane. I could tell the car loves it a lot as well. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Take care, guys.